Here are the materials we are going to use for the DIY edible soil layers. A clear glass and a spoon, 3 whole Oreos, crushed graham, chocolate spread, chocolate nips, gummy worms, crushed macapon fudgy bar. Here is the procedure for the DIY edible soil layers. Step 1. Put the whole Oreos at the bottom of the glass. This represents the bedrock. Step 2. On top of the Oreos, put the chocolate nips. This will be the parent material. Step 3. Put the 2 sachets of chocolate spread. It represents the subsoil. Step 4. On top of the subsoil goes the crushed graham, which will be the topsoil. On top of it, stick the gummy worms. Step 5. Sprinkle the crushed macapon fudge bar on top, allowing the gummy worms to poke out.